Okay, FOIL method, our classic method. First, remember FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. So first, that term times that term, 9x squared. Outer, this term times this term, minus 15x. Inner, negative 7 times 3x, negative 21x. And last, negative 7 times negative 5, positive 35. And what do they all go together to be? Well, the middle terms combine, negative 15x and negative 21x. So we've got 9x squared minus 36x plus 35. And that is D. Let's do that one more time for number 27. First, 3x times 2x, 6x squared. Outer, 3x times negative 6, negative 18x. Inner, 4 times 2x, 8x. And last, 4 times negative 6, negative 24. What do they combine to be? Well, the middle terms combine. We've got 6x squared stays what it is. That negative 18x and the positive 8x become negative 10x when we combine them. And the negative 24 at the end. 6x squared minus 10x minus 24, that's B.